As the calendar flips to November, there's a palpable buzz in the air. It's not just the onset of the holiday season, but the anticipation of a day that's become synonymous with crazy deals and discounts. Yes, we're talking about Black Friday, the day when consumers across the globe scramble to snag the best deals, and businesses go all out to attract them. But remember, the best deals aren't always found in stores. Some are hidden in the vast world of digital marketing. So don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get the Black Friday deals. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of digital marketing this Black Friday, starting with an introduction to the concept. In the world of digital marketing, Black Friday isn't just a day, it's a golden opportunity, a challenge, and a battlefield all rolled into one. It's a time when businesses, big and small, vie for consumers' attention with irresistible deals and discounts. And among the myriad of deals that await savvy marketers this season, there's one that stands out: the PowerAdSpy Black Friday deal. PowerAdSpy, a leading advertising intelligence tool, is offering a whopping 50% discount this Black Friday. This deal is part of the exclusive range offered by AppSumo during their Black Friday sale. PowerAdSpy, renowned for its ability to unmask the advertising strategies of competitors, is a must-have tool in the arsenal of every digital marketer. Black Friday has undergone a paradigm shift. From frenzied in-store shopping, it has evolved into a digital phenomenon, compelling businesses to recalibrate their advertising strategies. In this new age, the art of crafting compelling ad copy, targeted social media ads, effective search engine optimization tactics, and persuasive email marketing campaigns are the keys to Black Friday success. The PowerAdSpy Black Friday deal isn't just about getting a coveted tool at half the price. It's about arming yourself with a tool that can help you navigate the Black Friday chaos and ensure your business stands out. With PowerAdSpy, you can uncover successful advertising strategies, replicate them, and achieve unparalleled success. In conclusion, the PowerAdSpy Black Friday deal is a game changer. It's a rare opportunity to acquire a powerful marketing tool at a 50% discount. It's a ticket to mastering the Black Friday battlefield and rising above the competition. As the curtain falls on our discussion, we leave you with one final thought. The Black Friday battlefield is intense, and to conquer it, you need the right tools and strategic insights. This is your chance to seize the PowerAdSpy Black Friday deal and gain an edge over your competitors. Remember to check out the link in the description below to get your hands on this game-changing tool at a 50% discount. Don't let this opportunity slip away. It's time to level up your digital marketing game.